I am your new teacher. My name is Santosh Kumar. Today I am teaching about social science and political life for about 6th class. In this chapter, we will go for the first chapter, first chapter 1. In this first chapter, we will go for the understanding diversity. Sir, what do you mean by diversity? Diversity means the fact the people are sometimes many ways coming from the many ways. The fact from different place, or people coming from different ways. Okay, once again tell you children, diversity means the fact from the different places or people coming from the different ways. In this chapter we will study about understanding the diversity. Sir, you know the diversity meaning. Next we will go for the, in this chapter we will learn about the how people can ways many ways in the different people who comes about all the kinds of backgrounds which belongs to all the kinds of religions and cultural. That means that the people are different culture, then the different backgrounds. In this chapter we will learn about that. That's it. In that we will go for the, you see the children. Here will be the one the empty box. In this empty box you will draw one sketch. If you look like different from each other, from the in that empty box you will see that unique from the drawing style. That is, we not only don't look exactly like other, but how can see in that you can see if you draw anything, if you something compare something anything, it like exactly compare anyone, it will be changes. It will be changes from like unique drawing style. We don't look exactly like each other, but also different languages we speak in terms of cultural backgrounds. In that we will go for the next. One day you will see this picture. This picture shows one day when the man was coming from the cycle, he will walking from the common. What do you mean by common? Common means it is the one of the simplest meaning, like head flat on the roadside. Then the people are walking. That is one more meaning is that is like you see in the footpath. That is mean by footpath means common. He one day he will coming. The cycle man will come. He will see the one paper man and he will ask for the Hindi paper. In that Hindi paper, he will mixture about the Hindi and English word. He will tell. You mean you know Hindi? He asked. Of course, I said. If it is Hindi, I will pay the money. Of course. Why? What did you think? He paused some time, but he looked so angry. He said, "You mean you can read Hindi?" Okay, of course, I can say. This time in details impatiently, you can speak and read. I can speak and write Hindi. Hindi is the one of the subject I study in the school. He asked, "Could you explain what subject was to someone who had never been to school?" Is something. I began, but lights changed. But he hanging behind the door, 100 road, and let myself He pushed along with the rest of the traffic. Next day we will come in. Was there again smiling at the me, holding at the Hindi paper. भैया, he said, भैया, आपका अखबार अब बताइए ये सब्जेक्ट क्या चीज है. He said, भैया, he said, आपका अखबार अब बताइए ये सब्जेक्ट क्या चीज है. English word sounded strange. His tongue it sound like its other meaning in English. It to be ruled by someone else. Oh, it's just something to study, I said. And then because of red lights had come on the and asked, have you ever been to school? Never, he answered. And he added proudly, I began working when I was hurry. He measured himself against my cycle seat. First my mother used to come with the, but I can do it alone. Where is your mother now? I asked, but then the lights changed. I was off. I heard him yell from the somewhere behind me. She is in the mirror with the rest. The rest was drowned out. My name is Samir, he said. My name is Samir. Next day he will come, the very shyly. He asked, what's your? It was incredibly my bicycle owned. My name is Samir, to say. I said, what his eyes lit up is. I grinned at him. It's another name for Hanuman's father. You know. So now you are Samir, E.K. and I am Samir, do. He said something like that. I answered and held out my hand. Haath milao Samir, do. His hand nestled in mine like little bird. I could still feel its warmth. I cycled away. Next day will again come. He did not have his useful smile for me. There is a trouble in the mirror. He said, many people are being killed. There is a Rio case. I looked at the headlines. Communal riots. It's late, but Samir, I began. I am Muslim. Samir said, I am Muslim. He said, answer. And all my people are married. His eyes filled with tears. And when I touched his shoulder, he would not look up. He was not at the crossing the day. After neither, the day after, nor even. Again, I no newspaper in English or Hindi. You can tell me where my Samir do has gone. Okay, children. In this chapter, we will fill out the following about yourself. First, when I go out, God, like, real, at home, I speak, at home, I speak. Next, my favorite sport is favorite sports. Is next, I like reading books. I like reading books. Books. Okay, students. In fill out the information about yourself. When I go out like wearing, at home I speak in. My favorite sports is I like reading books. With the help of you check how many of you similar answers. Is there any whose matches your list exactly? Probably not. But many of you similar answers. How many like reading the same kind of books? How many of different languages are spoken by the students?